Hello, everyone, and thank you for tuning in. Today, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin real quick and its valuations against the US dollar. Remember, if you do like this video and the other videos that I make on this channel, be sure to hit the like button down below and also consider subscribing. Well, for a hot minute, we were talking about Bitcoin and the 20-day moving average. Oddly enough, we were talking about the 20-day moving average for a lot of coins. We were talking about it on Ethereum, Chainlink, Basic Attention Token had somewhat of a relevant 20-day bounce. Cardano is another coin that had a relevant 20-day bounce. Very, very interesting to see that all these coins are coinciding with the same moving average, despite different price movements. But um, what separates Bitcoin and the other coins that I mentioned just now about the 20-day is what side of the 20-day they're on. And Bitcoin was on the lower side of the 20-day, and for the past 4 days, ever since January 29th, we've been being rejected from the 20-day moving average. And today, with Bitcoin up 4% for the day, going up as high as maybe 5.5, I think. Well, as high as $35,000 roughly. We're finally above the 20-day moving average. Now, this is the daily. We have 10 hours left in the day. There's a lot of things can happen within those 10 hours, you guys. So I wouldn't necessarily think this is, an automatic breakout, because if you think, and because the thinking's rational, like I would agree with you, if Bitcoin's able to get above the 20-day, then we potentially might see a short-term move to the upside for Bitcoin. Um, Now, this is not enough confirmation for me. We would need to see this close, and then the following day need to see some follow through, um, to think that would be the case. So for me, I'm definitely not trading here, and in fact, I haven't been trading this whole pattern. In fact, I haven't been buying Bitcoin. I haven't been buying Bitcoin for a very long time. So keep that in mind if if that means anything to you. Yeah, I look at Bitcoin a lot because I do own a lot of Bitcoin, but I haven't been buying any Bitcoin. But when we look at this right now, this is quite interesting. We saw that Bitcoin was being rejected from the 20-day, was being held support by the downwards line of support. Here we see a temporary breakout. We'll see what happens for the rest of the day. If it's able to close above here, you guys, tomorrow we would want to revisit Bitcoin, see how it has progressed above, or does it come back below. We can it because it's happened many a time, right? You could have a green candle the one day and then the next day a red candle right back down below the 20-day. And you could say that's null and void. We would want to see a continuation. We'd want to see a continuation to some degree, at least on the 20-day, because it's such a short-term time frame. That's what you would need to see. If it was on the weekly, on the monthly, I'd be a bit more bullish when it just closes above the 20-day, or on that 20 whatever moving average, whether it's the 20-week moving average or a certain monthly moving average. If the weekly candle or the monthly candle is able to close above that, I would find that a lot more bullish than this 20-day moving average here. But we'll definitely see. Bitcoin's just trading around just shy under $35,000. Bitcoin dominance is up, but I mean, we have been essentially moving sideways on dominance, ever since the 24th. So since last week. So we'll see where this goes. Altcoins are still faring somewhat well, especially Ethereum. It's been holding up fairly well. Chainlink's taking a little dip, again, meeting contact with that 20-day moving average. Uniswap is taking a dive, but somewhat to be expected considering this amazing run up. And we actually see these temporary pauses here of retracement before the next leg up, which is quite interesting. All in all, nothing too crazy in the markets right now. Um, when we look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's kind of, chilled out. This is kind of like what we're looking for. Bitcoin chilling out. And if this continues, then I think it's a lot more bullish for altcoins now. If Bitcoin's able to, keep quiet. Because I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I feel like public sentiment is not talking about Bitcoin anymore. I mean, they could be talking about stocks, but they're talking about altcoins. They're talking about Dogecoin and XRP right now. So I feel like sentiment's quieting down a bit for Bitcoin. If that continues, then I really think it's time for other altcoins to shine, as they already have, mind you. I mean, this is Ethereum. Like it's moved up. Anyway, that is all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.